Oppo Reno 12 Pro 5G. Yeah, first of all, we'll talk about this mobile's complete features like starting with the price. We'll talk about the display, processor, cameras, battery, as well as everything, the multimedia features. So let's start with the price tag. This mobile will be available in two variants. The base variant is available with a 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage variant, which was priced at 36,999, almost 37,000 rupees. And the other variant was 12GB RAM, 512GB internal storage variant. By the way, these both are expandable up to 1 terabyte. Yes, that's the plus point. So let's start with this mobile's actual features. Let's start with the display size. It comes with a 6.7 inches of AMOLED display, and it is a 120Hz refresh rate supported 1600 nit brightness supported display, which was protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. By the way, it's a 120Hz refresh rate display. This mobile comes with a processor. When you talk about the processor, yeah, this mobile comes with a MediaTek processor, that is a MediaTek Dimensity 7300E 4nm based 5G processor. Now when we talk about the 5G, it does comes with a lot of 5G bands. I have listed the 5G bands in the description box. You can check it out from there directly. By the way, it comes with the 17 5G bands. When we talk about the memory variants, like as I said earlier, it comes in two variants, 12GB RAM 256 as well as 12GB RAM 512GB internal storage variant. No 8GB RAM variant till now. By the way, those are expandable up to 1 terabyte. And this mobile also comes with a triple cameras at the back side. First of all, it comes with a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera as well as a 50 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera and a 8 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. For the front also, it comes with a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera. Yes. When we talk about the battery, it comes with a 5000 milliampere of bigger battery. It supports 80 watts of fast charge through wire. Unfortunately, it doesn't have any wireless or reverse wireless charging features. And when we talk about this mobile's other features, like this mobile comes with stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack support. And when we talk about the operating system, this mobile runs on Android version 14 out of the box with the Oppo UI. And so you can purchase this mobile from Amazon as well as from the Flipkart, but this is not available right now. It will come to the sale soon. I'll post when it comes to the sale on the community of our channel, so make sure you subscribe and following the channel regularly. So this is all about the mobile itself. And when we talk about the box content, this mobile comes with the box itself and a charger and a cable and a symmetrical tool and some quick start guides or something like that. And it also comes with a TPU case with the box included in the mobile with the box. So these are the features of this mobile. When we talk about the other features, like this mobile doesn't have the 3.5mm jack as support as well as the reverse wireless charge or wireless charge features, and this mobile doesn't it's not a waterproof mobile, like it doesn't have any IP 68 water and dust resistant features. And this mobile comes with the latest features such as Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 6, dual band Wi-Fi support. So these are everything about this mobile. So that's it for the video. Hit the like button and also the subscribe button.